Gold prices back under pressure then after we had that temporary bounce where markets were just getting a little bit delusional. I think they were caught up with the idea of potential, the rate cuts may come, which is just crazy, absolutely absurd thinking. I explained this yesterday. As I said, we're in a time of, the economy is still relatively sound. We can't be cutting rates. We've got rising inflation. We're going to cut rates further. We're going to be causing further inflation, which is not the place to be, of course. So anyway, wake up call for the markets, wake up call for gold. Yields are still very much elevated, continue to push aggressively to the upside and expect to with the higher rates on the cards, which will be, as I say, if we don't get a wake up call now with gold, I mean, we seemingly have because we faded a lot of that move. Technically, obviously, we bounced that very key area of liquidity, which is 4K, protecting that downside. Ultimately, we do want to see stops being triggered to the downside, inviting that fresh wave of downside momentum. Obviously, we're capped to the upside of 4,200. We've just got a bit of a narrowing pennant here. As I said, keep an eye on the idea of that faking out. And we're basically faking out here. We're going to come back below. And I would like to personally see what we've been calling for a while, and that's to head towards sort of 3.3, 3.5, 3.3K with the next major area of liquidity, guys. Obviously, all eyes are going to be on FOMC rate decision next week. Kevin Walsh got a whole playbook around this with the KenMacro desks all over that. Guys, if you want to really up your macro trading game, be able to tie that in with your technicals, however you trade, frameworks, education, all that good stuff. I've put all my value, all my knowledge into various resources. You can check the links below. If you have any questions or anything like that, or you're keen to really, really level up, then you can DM me via Instagram and we can have a conversation. Other than that, have a blessed one. Catch you next one.